Hey everybody, welcome back. It has been a minute, hasn't it? Life got pretty crazy around here and I am so thankful to be back with you in my kitchen. We are back with some of Grandma's recipes. These are really simple, easy recipes that don't take long at all. And I'm actually gonna bring you two today. And it's perfect too for this time of the year because we're doing cookouts, we're going to potlucks, we're just having a lot of fun because summer is upon us. So I want to thank you all for being here and I want to welcome all the new friends that are here. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe too. But with all that being said, let's get to the very first video that we are going to work on together today. And I am going to, where's the recipe? It's not hard, but I want to be able to read it. This is called a chive butter. Perfect for potatoes. You can put it on bread, toast it up, delicious. All right, friends, so for this recipe, you are gonna need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of seasoned salt or salt, and 2 cups of chopped chives. Now I put the salt and the chives, I mixed it together. I'm telling you, this is delicious. So we are gonna take our butter, we're gonna just stick it in our bowl, that easy, right? And we're gonna dump our chive and our salt together. I'm just gonna pour all that right here. You're gonna take a fork. I guess you probably get your beater out, but you don't have to. As long as your butter is at room temperature, you should be fine smashing it with your fork or any other utensil you may have. So we are gonna, I could whip it up really fast too. I mean, that would be always nice to have a little whipped butter, right? So of course, this is gonna make approximately a half a cup of butter. Like I said before, you can put this on a baked potato. You can put this and spread it on like some nice bread. If you're having pasta or something, or a nice, you're grilling out, maybe you have some steaks or something, and then toast up the bread in the oven. And there you have it. Get a spoon out and just really just start mixing it out. What do you think? Was that easy? That was so easy, right? And there you have it. There's the first recipe, chive butter. It'll make your dish absolutely more delicious. Trust me. You got to give this a try out. I will try and link the recipe down below in the description box. Let's move to the next recipe. And I forgot to mention, you can just put it in a Ziploc bag or store it in a container and put it back in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. All right, on to the next recipe. This is a homemade Hidden Valley salad dressing. You know, the stuff in the powder that you can buy and then you mix. Well, this is a homemade one. So you'll be able to make your own Hidden Valley dressing, use it for salads, dips, and so on. So I am gonna list, so before I get started there, the recipe that my grandmother has, she had to have made this when she was the head cook at the schools because it's pretty large quantity. It's like 1 quart of mayonnaise, 1 quart of, buttermilk, and that's like 4 cups. So I know this is something that she used. It had to have been that they used somewhere at the school. So I actually broke this down in the recipe that I am talking about right now. It has to do with a serving of 2. So I just kind of wanted to let you know that. I will go ahead and list the original recipe, and if you need to break it down, you should be able to do that with no problem. All right, friends, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do about 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, don't worry about it. Just add a little bit of acid to it, which is either some vinegar or some lemon juice if you have it. And then 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I think I got a little too much mayonnaise, so I think I'm gonna hold off on that bit there. I don't want it too mayonnaise. And then for your seasoning, you're gonna need parsley, salt, onion salt, garlic powder, and then of course, pepper. So we're gonna take that and we are gonna dump all that inside our mason jar. And then I am gonna come in with my handy dandy immersion blender and we're gonna get this just mixed up. There we go. That was easy, right? Another quick and easy recipe. I'm telling you, friends, this doesn't take a long time and it's better than store-bought. You won't want to buy the stuff at the store anymore once you make this up. I mean, after all, everything homemade is better than store-bought, right? So we're gonna get a spoon, see if it needs anything. But you can see the consistency here. It is, I mean, it's watery. It's not that thick, but that's okay. But you can see, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I'll try. But you can see there's just like a ton of spices in there. Let me put my camera down just a little bit. Maybe you can just see the spices in there. All right, so let's go ahead and just give this a quick try. See if it needs anything else. Nope, it's perfect. It's really good, friends. So, perfect. So you just seal it up, put it in your refrigerator. It doesn't have to be a mason jar. Use whatever container you have. And then before you use it, just shake it up. This was perfect for 2. I know it's not gonna go bad. We will go through this and enjoy some fresh Hidden Valley Ranch salad dressing for our vegetables and our salad that I've harvested from the garden that's in our refrigerator. So there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for being here and just being with me as it's just got really busy here, and I think it's starting to settle down just a little bit. Market is open, so I am baking weekly for that, and then I finally got the garden planted, so I'm pretty sure I'm just about finished there, but now it's hot and humid. We're not gonna be outside. We're gonna be in the kitchen. So there it is. I will see you on the next video, friends. Have a great day. Be blessed, everybody. Bye.